In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a signature in a PDF file in Adobe Reader. Now to do this, you want to open your document, your PDF file, and then you want to go to the right here inside Tools, and if you scroll down here, it says Fill and Sign. So if you click on this here, you'll see it says Sign Yourself up top. You can just click on that, and then you can either add a signature or initials. So a signature is going to be over here. You want to click on it, and then you have three options. You could either type it in, for example, like this, and then you can of course use this by clicking apply. You could go and draw it yourself, so if you want to, you can just type in the signature, which you can then use like this, or you could add an image, and this image can be anything really. You could go and basically sign it on a piece of paper, and you just basically take a picture of that piece of paper, upload it in here as an image, and you can use that as your signature. I'm gonna go with the drawn over here, and I'm gonna click on apply, and then it's going to load for a few seconds, and there we go. I can now click anywhere, and it's going to insert that signature. Now it's also going to of course allow you to resize it, and if you want to add it again, you can click on sign yourself again. It's gonna get saved. You can just click, and then you can edit wherever you want, just like that again. Okay, so that's how to add a signature. But if you want to add a digital signature, you could do that too. So you can just click on close here, go to the top left under Tools, and then go to Certificates. In here from Certificates, click on digitally sign up top, click OK, and then with your left mouse button, you have to draw where you want a digital signature. So click and drag like this. I'm going to put it over here, and then you have to select which one you want, click on it, and click on continue. Then from here, you want to just, of course, customize it if you want to. You can click on review here, X, and then click on sign, and that way you can just save the document again. I'm going to just save it like this, save. And you'll see that, there we go, this document has been digitally signed. So those are kind of the two options you have. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.